Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best Bob Ross brushes is probably one of the most important investments you can make as a landscape painter, significantly impacting your ability to recreate his signature style. From the crisp lines of the fan brush to the delicate details achieved with the palette knife, the right tools unlock the potential to transform your canvas into a breathtaking masterpiece, just like Bob Ross himself. Number 5. Weber Bob Ross Landscape Brush. Get ready to elevate your landscape painting. This brush is designed for optimal results, making your creative process easier and more enjoyable. It's a landscape brush crafted with high-quality materials. You'll feel the difference in your hand. Experience the seamless blend of precision and control. It feels like an extension of your own hand, allowing for effortless strokes. This brush is made with pride in the USA, ensuring the highest standards of quality and craftsmanship. With this brush, achieving your artistic vision has never been easier. Watch your landscapes come to life with vibrant detail and effortless flow. Its design allows for smooth, controlled strokes, making it perfect for creating stunning landscapes. You'll love the way it feels in your hand. What we like. It's a perfect size for detailed landscape work. If you are looking for a brush to add the finishing touch to your landscapes, this is the one for you. Its high-quality materials ensure it will last through countless painting sessions. Number 4. Martin F. Weber Bob Ross 2 Blender Brush. This brush is made with the finest materials, ensuring quality and performance for all skill levels. It's perfect for achieving those beautiful wet-on-wet effects. Each brush is carefully evaluated to meet the highest standards. You can trust it to deliver exceptional results every time. It's the ideal tool for mastering the wet-on-wet painting technique, whether you're a beginner or a seasoned artist. Get ready to create stunning landscapes. With its 2-inch head and 8.25-inch handle, it's perfectly sized for comfortable and precise control. You'll love its versatility. It's crafted with pride in the USA using only the finest materials. Experience the difference quality makes. This package contains one high-quality 2-inch blender brush, ready to help you bring your artistic vision to life. What we like. This larger brush is ideal for blending colors seamlessly. If you love the wet-on-wet technique and want smooth transitions, this brush is your best friend. Its size makes blending large areas quick and easy. What people say. They work great and are holding up well with use. This brush is incredibly soft. It works beautifully for smoothing things out, without moving the paint all over the canvas. These handle like high-quality brushes but at an affordable price point, compared to Da Vinci Maestro or Escoda Classico. Number 3. Weber Bob Ross Blender Brush CR6402. This brush is designed for artists of all skill levels. It's perfect for creating smooth, even blends of paint. With its generous 2-inch head, it's ideal for covering large areas quickly and efficiently. It's the perfect tool for background work. This brush is made in the USA with high-quality materials. You can trust in its durability and performance. It's made according to Bob Ross's precise specifications for his wet-on-wet technique. Achieve superb, predictable results every time. This brush feels like a natural extension of your hand, providing exceptional control and comfort. You'll love how it moves across the canvas. Whether you're a beginner or a seasoned professional, this brush will help you create stunning works of art. It's the perfect addition to your art supplies. What we like. It's designed specifically for creating smooth backgrounds. If you're aiming for a flawless, even background, this is the tool for you. The high-quality materials make it a worthwhile investment for any artist. What people say. Works like he says. Bob Ross did a great job of designing this brush. It has just the right softness. Holds up cleaning. Very happy with this brush. Moves paint around very well and covers larger areas quickly and easily. Number 2. Bob Ross Landscape Brush Set. Unleash your inner artist with this set of 12 brushes, designed by Bob Ross himself. They're perfect for creating beautiful wet-on-wet landscapes. These brushes are specially designed for the wet-on-wet technique, allowing you to achieve amazing results with ease. It's the secret to Bob Ross's signature style. Experience the difference of high-quality, natural bristle brushes. They'll give you the control and precision you need for stunning landscapes. Rest assured, these are authentic Bob Ross brushes, now made in Germany by Bob Ross Incorporated. They're the real deal. Remember, these brushes are for oil-based paints only. Please do not use them with water or water-based products. With these brushes in hand, you're ready to create your own masterpiece. Let your creativity flow and enjoy the process. What we like. This set offers a wide range of brushes for all your wet-on-wet needs. If you're starting out or want a complete collection, this is the most versatile option. It has everything you need to create a variety of textures and effects. What people say. These are very well made brushes and seem like they should last a long time. I bought this set so that I could follow along with the Bob Ross series to learn the techniques, and in this case using the same tools as Bob Ross is using in his series. I am developing my skills using the knives, sea mountains, to create the mottled snow look, along with the various fan brushes to create trees and black-handled brush to add flowers on trees, etc. in the wet-on-wet techniques. The colors stay vibrant and my customers are always happy. Number 1. Bob Ross R6413 #3 Fan Blender. Experience the superior quality of this artist brush, meticulously crafted for effortless painting. It's designed to perfectly complement Bob Ross wet-on-wet technique. Each brush is hand-shaped and individually inspected, ensuring the highest standards of quality and consistency. You'll feel the difference in your hand. The natural bristles provide exceptional smoothness and control, making blending a breeze. Achieve seamless transitions with ease. It's made according to Bob Ross's precise specifications. It's designed to deliver superb, predictable results every time. This brush feels like a natural extension of your hand, providing unparalleled comfort and control. Experience the joy of painting like never before. With its superior quality and precision, it will help you create stunning masterpieces. Let your creativity flow. What we like. It's hand-shaped for ultimate precision and control. If you like to add fine details and delicate textures to your paintings, this brush gives you the accuracy you need. Its unique shape allows for creative effects not possible with other brushes. What people say. Bristles always bounce back after beating it. This is a great brush to paint trees and grasses. It does take practice, however, but once you learn how to manipulate this brush, you can paint fantastic greenery. The bristles are firm and have a good texture. Great for painting trees and clouds. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.